Alright, Doozer Shop here. I want to make a quick video about my Toolpost. This is an Aloris CA, and what I've got here is just a handle on top. It's basically just a socket made into a wrench. So what I did is I just took a socket, a 12-point socket, 3/4 inch drive, and get into the lamp here. I could show you. I welded it all the way around to create a handle, right? So what this is, that's a 7/8 stud, and it's a heavy hex nut with a flange, and it's got a ball bearing thrust thrust bearing, a ball bearing thrust type bearing on top there. So what this allows you to do is index is there. You can easily, loosen this. Back up at the camera. Loosen this guy up. Swivel your tool post with whatever you want, and lock it back down. Put your stuff in and go. So that works pretty well. Let me loosen it up real quick. One of the things that I did, you might be able to see here. It's all oily. I ground this top of the compound, surface ground it. Let me see if I can, zoom in, right? So let me kind of show you. There's the T-nut down in the slotty slot, and all this has been, ground so it, has a good positive contact on the compound there. So I spent a lot of time, made a nice tight fitting T-nut, so yeah, so that works for me. Oh, and the nice thing about this 3/4 square drive, and I turned the 7/8 piece of stud down to 3/4, is you can just index it. It's kind of nice. If the handle's in the way, you just kind of bring it out and index it. But this ball type thrust bearing, you just give it a firm, hunka, and there you go. And it seems to be a good looking situation for me, and it's just never really slipped for me. Seems to hold nice and tight. And this is actually an 8-ball from a billiards table for a handle. So I just wanted to show you guys that quickly, and just mention that this is my setup. And let me squat down kind of level. Looks same angle I tried to copy when I welded that handle onto the socket. And it's just a nice combination that seems to work well for me. Maybe you guys have other things that work for you, but just wanted to give you a quick glimpse of what I came up with for this lathe.